Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a brand new subscription to my channel and it's all to do with perfume. It's from the fragrance shop and this is Scent Addict. And the cost of the box is £12 a month and that includes shipping. That provides you with an 8ml bottle of perfume of your choice. There is hundreds and hundreds of choices that you can choose from. You've also got the option to subscribe for 3, 6 or 12 months at a reduced cost. Plus what I really like about it is that when you go on and create your account, you've got a calendar so you can choose your perfumes up front. So I've already chosen my next perfume. I don't know how long I'm going to stick with this subscription. I just wanted to try it, see what it's like, see what my thoughts are, and obviously I wanted to share it with you as well. With your first box you get a free atomizer. So I've had a quick look in here and my perfume is already in there. They've got an offer on at the moment. If you were to sign up, then your second month you can have 20% off if you use code SASAVE20. You'll find that down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription and all my other discount codes, and if I've got any giveaways running. You'll find it all listed down below, so you're welcome to take a look. As far as value for money is concerned, when I was looking at the huge list of different perfumes, you can actually put in your favourite brands to make it easier. You don't have to go through hundreds, just look in. For my first one I went for Paco Rabanne, and so that was easy, so I was able to choose the perfume that I want. I worked out how much a 30 or 50ml version of the perfume would cost, and then I worked out how much 8ml of it is worth. It depends on the perfume you go for. The one I've gone for is Olympia, which I'm obsessed with. I went for a perfume, I know, but I'm out of Olympia. I have got Olympia Intense and I've got Olympia, is it Amber or something like that? I'm not quite sure what it is. I think it's Olympia Amber. It's a little bit different, but I just love the original Olympia. It works out that based on average price for a 30 or 50ml bottle, doing this subscription and getting 8ml of that perfume, I'm saving a couple of pounds. You've got other brands on the website that you're going to be saving lots of money because they're quite pricey. But then also you've got other perfumes, like a 30ml bottle would cost you, what, £15 in the shop. So choosing 8ml for your subscription, you're not really saving money, are you? There is that to think when you're choosing your perfumes. They've got like a quiz on there as well, so you can type in the type of perfumes you like and they can bring up a selection that they suggest for you. If you fancied something different, if you fancied like a bit of a mystery, trying something new, there's that. But yeah, I decided for this one and my next one. What am I having next month? I can't remember now. 8ml is a decent size. It lasts quite a while, and this is what it looks like. So it comes in a little box. You get to choose what colour atomizer. Is that what it's called? An atomizer? 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 No, atomizer. I don't know, I can't remember. You get to choose your colour anyway, so I went for bright pink. I love the little box it comes in. So there's that. To make it work, you turn it clockwise, it pops up, and then, there. Oh my god, I love it. Olympia, Paco Rabanne. Oh, I love it, I love it. But I don't want to waste it, so pull it down like that. How do I open it? Oh, this is so simple. Oh my gosh. I bet there'd be some of you screaming at the screen, Claire, just pull the flipping thing up. Yeah, I pulled it up. Does this come off, or is this how it arrives? We will find out next month. So that's that, and that's that. And it just says here, Paco Rabanne Olympia. Yeah. Twist anti-clockwise to close it. See, I like that. I really like that. Pop in my handbag. Just got a little invoice then with it. But yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts. Have you subscribed to this subscription before? What do you think of it? Is it something you might be interested in, or do you think, nah? Yeah, I would love to hear what you think of it, especially if you have subscribed. It's a Scent Addict by the Fragrance Shop. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.